Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you want to have the best looking lawn, you need smart tools that work for you. Today I'm excited to dive into the Worx Landroid M20V, a robotic lawnmower that's perfect for small to medium yards. Available on Amazon, this mower is a fantastic option for anyone looking to ditch the push mower and save time. I'll cover its awesome features, a few drawbacks, and why I think it's a great buy. Let's jump in. Right off the bat, the Worx Landroid M20V impresses with its fully automated design. It's built for lawns up to a quarter acre and uses a 20-volt PowerShare battery that's interchangeable with other Worx tools like trimmers or blowers. This battery powers a high-efficiency brushless motor that runs 50% longer and 25% more powerfully than brushed motors, giving you reliable performance. The mower cuts with 3 pivoting blades, offering a 7-inch cutting width and adjustable heights from 1.5 to 3.1 inches, so you can dial in the perfect look for your lawn. One of the standout features is the smart navigation. The patented AIA technology lets the Landroid maneuver through narrow passages and around obstacles without a guide wire, unlike some competitors. It mows in a random pattern which might look chaotic but ensures even coverage over time, leaving your lawn looking lush and carpet-like. The cut-to-edge design gets close to borders, reducing the need for manual trimming. Plus, it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, so you can control it via the Landroid app from anywhere. Set schedules, monitor progress, or get alerts if it gets stuck or stolen. It's all at your fingertips. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can say, "Hey Google, start mowing," and relax. The setup is straightforward, but requires some effort. You lay down a boundary wire to define the mowing area, and the mower follows it to stay in bounds. It's got a rain sensor, so it heads back to its charging station if it gets wet, and it recharges in about 90 minutes. Safety features are solid, with a lift sensor that stops the blades instantly if the mower is picked up, and the optional Find My Landroid GPS module adds anti-theft tracking. At around 21 pounds, it's lightweight and handles slopes up to 20 degrees, making it versatile for uneven yards. Another big pro is how quiet it is. Operating at about 60 decibels, it's like a soft conversation, so you can run it early or late without bothering anyone. It's eco-friendly too, with 0 emissions and a mulching system that leaves tiny clippings to nourish your lawn. The app's Save the Hedgehogs mode is a cool touch, limiting operation after sunset to protect nocturnal critters. For a mower priced around $1,000, it's a steal compared to high-end models that cost thousands. Now let's talk about a few cons. The initial setup can be time-consuming. Laying the boundary wire takes a few hours, and you'll need to tweak it to avoid issues like the mower getting stuck on uneven terrain or cutting the wire if it's not flat. I recommend watching setup videos online to get it right. Some users report the mower struggles with very complex lawns or tight corners, occasionally requiring manual intervention. The app, while user-friendly, can be slow to connect if your Wi-Fi signal is weak, and it lacks remote steering, which would be a nice bonus. Also, the 7-inch cutting width means it takes longer to cover larger areas compared to wider models. Despite these minor quirks, the Worx Landroid M20V is a fantastic choice for tech-savvy homeowners who want a low-maintenance, hands-off mowing experience. It's affordable, quiet, and packed with smart features that deliver a pristine lawn with minimal effort. If you've got a quarter-acre yard and hate mowing, this little robot will give you your weekends back. Before I sign off, be sure to check the link below for the best pricing on the Worx Landroid M20V, including special promotional deals from Rick's Review Hub. Also, head over to our channel for more reviews on robotic mowers and other time-saving gadgets. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends, or subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep your lawn sharp and your weekends free. See you soon.